Now I'm going to teach you two ways to run Python on command line. So in this case, we're going to switch to the computer. So because we are going to be dealing with Windows, so you click here where you have the start button. If you have it on top, on the bottom, whatever. So you type CMD. When you type CMD, you will have the command prompt. So you click there, and then you will get this. So once you have that, what you have to do is you have to type Python 3, enter, and that's it. So and then you're ready to run any command line here. So for instance, let's say 2 plus 2, enter. As you can see, we have 4 ready to go. But what happens if you type 4 plus 4 or 3 or whatever number that you want to type, and you're going to get a syntax error. Why is the syntax error? Because you're breaking the rules. So Python understands Python and doesn't understand English or Spanish or any other language. So you have to write in a way that Python will understand you. So in this case, we have to follow the rules. In this case, so if you want to type, for instance, 1 plus 1, it will work all the time. So let's say that you want to run the same thing, maybe in a command in a file. I'll teach you how to do that as well. So in this case, if you want to exit, you type exit, and then parenthesis, and then close parenthesis, enter, and that's it. You're ready to go here. So now I'm going to enter in the desktop folder. So I have more classes about how to become a computer technician. So here, over there, I teach a little bit more about command lines. But here, let's say that we are in the desktop. So we type dir, and then we are going to see all the folders that we have here. So in this case, we are going to go to py, that this is the folder that I have already for this. So, and I have a file that is called auto.py. Type space auto tab, enter, and then you will see the content of that file that says hola, soy Germán, y tengo un auto. So hello, I'm German, and I have a blue car. So I'm going to create my own file. So we're going to clear the screen, CLS, and then we're going to create a file. So I'm going to teach you how. So in this case, let's say that you want to use something very basic. We can type Notepad, enter, and then we can type the command here, parenthesis, hello, I'm Gabriel, and I don't have a blue car. We close parentheses. Everything is between the quotation mark. We have to do the same thing with the parentheses. It's parentheses, quotation mark, whatever you want to type, close the quotation mark, and then close parentheses, and that's it. And after that, we can save it. For instance, we click here, file, save. It will ask us where do you want to save it, and then it will be on desktop, py, and then hello test.py. Because why py? Because it's Python. So we can close this. We go here, there, or if it's Mac, you type ls, or if you have a Linux computer, it will be the same thing, ls. So in this case, we see here we have hello test. So we are going to type Python 3 hello, and then a tab, so that way it will complete the file name, enter, and that's it. It says hello, I'm Gabriel, and I don't have a blue car. That's it. So that is how you can run in any Python file on Windows computer. So I hope you have enjoyed this class, and see you in the next one.